Hey guys, so I decided to do a quick video before I head on the treadmill. So these are the books that kind of like hoping that it makes the Booker Longlist. So we have James, we have The Road to the Country, and then we have The Lost Love Song of Lucy Singh. I haven't read this one yet, but it is a Trinidadian author, so I'm excited if it makes the list. But these are like full. And we got the wild card here. These are the wild card. All right, let's check this out. Wow, the only book that is on the list that I recognize or even heard of is James, which I knew was gonna make the list. That's just, it was a given. But the other books, we're gonna have to read 12 books this time. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do some research to see what I'm gonna pick up first. So yeah, all right. My reaction.